I will send you rain in its season, and the ground will yield its crops, and the trees their fruits. Leviticus chapter 26, verse 4. Hello, family. Warmest welcome back again to the La Vista channel. Trust that you're doing well. We are in the pineapple season, and oh boy, I'm truly excited about that because I love me some pineapples. Please stay tuned and let's make this ginger pineapple juice, shall we? So for our simple ingredients, you will need your pineapple, your ginger, your lemon, water, and a little bit of sugar. I love summer because of the fruits that comes with it. It brings out all my favorite fruits at affordable prices, so I'm always so happy. I like to start off by washing my pineapples and all the other ingredients. I'll be using the skin of the pineapple as well, which has lots of nutritional benefits. It has lots of antioxidants. It fights against bacteria, and it's also very rich in vitamin C. Okay, for this juice I'll be using 2 pineapples. I'll chop one the traditional way, and I will use my pineapple slicer for the other one, and you will find out what I would do with that later on. Okay. By using your pineapple slicer, you get to also enjoy a little bit of fresh pineapple juice instantly. Which I also love so much. So I go ahead to take all the fruits in the pineapple as much as I can, and I'll put it back in the fridge because I'll be using this as my cup. I love to sip it right here because it tastes even better. I'll go ahead and chop my ginger root because I will be blending together with the fruits of the pineapple, and then go ahead to squeeze my lemons as well. All the juice that I got from the lemon, and yes, I'll go ahead and prepare my syrup. I do this by boiling the skin of the pineapple. About to have this infused syrup, y'all. You will never get it anywhere. That is why it's always good for you to make your own juice at home. Okay, so I add about 1 cup of water and 3 tablespoons of sugar. That is my sweetener that I'll be using today. You can go ahead and use honey if that is what you like, and also the sugar is just up to your taste. Okay, so while that is boiling, I go ahead to blend my ginger and pineapple. After everything has been blended, I go ahead to use my sieve to strain the blended pineapple and ginger, and the fiber I will go ahead and add it to my syrup, and then I will allow it to boil for just 3 more minutes, and my syrup should be done. I do not want anything at all to go to waste. And so right now we are done, family. I will pack it right in my bottles, and yes, we will serve a little bit also to enjoy. Serve it with ice. If you do not like ice, please put it in the fridge for it to chill, and it's best enjoyed once it's chilled. I promise you, it tastes so good. Kids and adults are going to enjoy this wherever you make it. Enjoying your pineapple juice in its king, I mean, what a great feeling. Definitely takes the refreshness to another level. Thank you so much, family, for watching, and if you enjoyed this recipe, please make sure to give me a thumbs up. And if this is your first time here, hello, my name is Lovia from Lovey Starch. My main goal here is to cheer you up in making your own delicious meal right at the comfort of your home. I also love to share kitchen related motivational videos, so please come on board, subscribe, and join the family for amazing new recipes every week. Thank you so much once again for watching, and just know that you're so beautiful just the way you are. See you in my next video.